All right, the books are here. Well, not all the books are here. This is just the advanced copies. They've all been earmarked, so don't ask me to send you one. There's just a few of them in here, and they are earmarked for people that helped contribute to making this happen. So, this is it. Took me 59 years to write a book. And okay, that one doesn't count. That's our catalog. Here's the book. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's nice and heavy. Oh, it's so beautiful. A beautiful laminated finish. Oh, wow. This is better than I expected. I mean, I expected it to be great, but this is like beautifully great. Wow. I dedicated this to my dad because my dad was inspirational in creating the tool that gave Rick and I the opportunity to do what we do. And so this book is dedicated to my dad. My father will be gone 10 years next week, and it just doesn't seem possible. He's been gone that long. But wow, this is so exciting for me. And for Rick too. There's me and Rick. We are why you guys do what you do. Maybe Rick can come over here and we'll give you a sneak peek at the book. So here we are. Beautiful, beautiful laminated cover. We went with silver for the coil because it just seemed appropriate. So I'm just gonna give you guys a look through here. This is a nice, heavy book. I had them do the best paper for the cover and for the interior. Absolutely beautiful. It is beyond my expectations. I hope you guys will enjoy the book as much as I enjoy doing it for you. I've wanted to write a book ever since I was a teenager, but I never felt like I had anything worthy to write about. So this is definitely a dream come true for me. We have 32 tutorials in here. Every tutorial comes with a QR code. You can scan that QR code and watch the video that goes along with the chapter. There's no other book like this. There are no books on silverware jewelry. And there's definitely no book like this that gives you everything that we're giving you in here. Lots of pictures of projects, things that I've done, other pictures that will help inspire you. Absolutely beautiful. This was really and truly a labor of love. And in the back here, we have a beautiful reference guide. I've got the information about the arbor press and how to set it all up, and the QR code that goes along with it. There are some bonus features in the book, like this ring right here. There is no tutorial in the book, but this is a QR code for this style of ring. So not only do you get 32 full tutorials that come with written and video instruction, we're giving you some bonus features as well, shop tips and tricks, drilling, some of the most important things and the things that people ask questions about the most. Tumbling, there's a beautiful chapter on that. Soldering chapter is very comprehensive. For those of you that want to learn to solder silver plate, that's really an essential chapter. Annealing, the rolling mill, pickling, patina, all kinds of good stuff. And then in the back, you know, I show you some of the wire projects that I've done. It's not silverware jewelry, but this is some copper wire projects. There are QR codes for that as well. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it's so nice and heavy, and we hope you guys love this book as much as I have loved creating it for you. Very emotional for me. We love you guys and we appreciate you. If you haven't pre-ordered your book, go ahead and get it pre-ordered. We expect to start shipping these the middle of July. So the earlier you order, the quicker your book is going to come out to you. Thank you so much. We love and appreciate you guys. Bye.